So I got called out by mostly old parts and rust. He thinks he wanted to have a measuring contest. And at first I thought, wow, that makes for a very interesting night. I better get out the big tape. But then I realized he just wanted to compare trunk sizes. So I've got my trunk opening tool. Let's see what we got. Regardless of how big it is, I guarantee I've got the depth beat. All right, let's see. Now, I wasn't exactly sure where he was measuring from, but it looked like about the back of the seat. So I'm going all the way to the back of the seat. And I can't really go to the trunk lip because the lip's gone. But it looks like he might actually have me beat. 66 inches to his 76 and a half. You know, it's not the size that matters. It's how much junk you can put in the trunk. And mine's deep as well as long. So that's just a fun little comparison we like to do. Mine's a little more aged than his. But you can see our cars by clicking the links below. Check out Buff's Garage and check out mostly Old Parts and Rust. And don't forget, September 30th and October 1st, we're going to the No Name Nationals in Sikeston, Missouri. This Pontiac will be screaming down the racetrack and hopefully stopping. Thanks for watching Buff's Garage.